noise for the motherfucking SWAT princess. And please, my motherfucking brother, this nigga helped me with this album. I get emotional when I see this nigga because he came through for me for Chromacopia. Motherfucking Daniel Caesar! I love you, nigga.
I love you, bro.
Lick my neck. Yeah! Nah, brother, make some noise for them niggas one more time.